In this tutorial, we will cover the AdEx application, which is where you upload your files to Mediabank. We assume that you already have a Mediabank account and that you're logged in. When you open the AdEx application, you can choose between two options: uploading via Aspera or standard upload. Should you choose to upload via Aspera, the AdEx will automatically check if the plugin is loaded and active. If everything is OK, a message will show up saying Aspera Connect is running. If Aspera is not present, you'll be guided to the Aspera support site, where you're able to download it. You can also use the standard upload, which is simply your standard browser file transfer functions. You are now given three choices: deliver commercials, deliver broadcast content, and upload to my account. If you hover over the Add Files buttons, you'll get information that might help you choose the correct option. Be aware that the AdEx forms will slightly differ depending on what you're delivering. Let's say we're uploading a football match. I click Upload to my account, and then I select and open my file. In the Destination drop-down menu, I choose Football Delivery. Next, you need to fill in the correct media ID, which in this football match example is a match ID. It is crucial that you have the correct media ID because you may not be able to open the tag form if you don't. Then, click these three dots to access the tag form that allows you to add metadata. Make sure that the information is in accordance with the match which you are delivering. If it isn't, you most likely have the wrong media ID. Finally, fill in the correct information in the drop-down menus. I'm delivering a match, as opposed to highlights, for example, and it's part 1 as my file includes the full match. Make sure everything looks OK before clicking Done. As you can see, Tag has now got a check mark indicating that the metadata has been filled out. Therefore, you're able to continue. If you were to deliver multiple files, simply click this plus button to repeat the process. Hitting the X will remove the file. When you are done, press Checkout and then Confirm Checkout. The upload has now started, and you can follow its status in the status bar. You will receive an email to your registered email once the upload is complete. As we mentioned earlier, the AdEx forms will differ depending on what you're delivering. Therefore, we will now go through the process of delivering broadcast content. Let's say that we work for a production company and that we're delivering a program master to a broadcaster. We will therefore choose the Deliver Broadcast Content option. Use the drop-down menu to navigate to your desired destination. Because we're delivering to a broadcaster, we have to choose what type of content we're delivering. We will click Program Master in the drop-down menu. Then you need to fill in the media ID. Keep in mind that if you don't have the correct media ID, you may not be able to open the tag form. Make sure that the information is in accordance with the broadcast content in which you are delivering. If it isn't, you most likely have the wrong media ID. Finally, fill in the correct information in the fields below. Be aware that some of the fields require information in order to finalize the delivery. If you wish to let your colleagues know about the upload, you can use notification lists to do so. You can also add or edit the general information and add the applicable media parts or even comments that you might have. Once you're satisfied with the tag form, click Done to continue. To finalize your upload, hit Checkout and then Confirm Checkout on the following page. The upload has now started, and you can follow its status in the status bar. You will receive an email to your registered email once the upload is complete.